Oh, you're so pretty.
You're so pretty.
Question, can you sleep in a bus?
Yes.
Because today we have to go with this minivan and with two other buses 600 kilometers. Google Maps is telling us we will have to drive with a car around 24 hours, so...
I was joking, I can't.
Even if it's very long, the journey is entertaining and interesting.
I swear it's the best bus station I've ever been to. Vezi, dar asta e ceea ce se cheamă în limbaj pitoresc o budă.
Tipa asta de lângă se curăță aici bețișoare în urechi și mizeria o curăță de banchetă și după aia o dă iarăși în ureche.
O terminat cu o ureche? O trecut la alea?
Da, mai rost.
We have the opportunity to see many different landscapes and to be in places still untouched by modern-day mass tourism.
So the road is very narrow and there are a lot of curves. So the driver is blowing the horn before every curve. The most important thing about driving here is knowing how to blow the horn. It's essential. It's the only thing you must know. We stopped in the middle of nowhere, in a town, in a place where nobody speaks English. What's gotten into you?
Huh?
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the middle of the nowhere.
Yeah. And everything is written just in their own alphabet, so we don't understand anything. The people are actually very nice around here. Let's show you a little bit around. So there are very friendly people, a lot of motorbikes.
And everywhere the people are very friendly and helpful.
Lunch pause! I don't think I can eat something from here. Everywhere there's red spit from betel nut, but yeah, it's quite nice. So it's like a border control, but it's inside the country. So there are different regions who form the Federation of Myanmar, and now there's a barrier, and they're checking out our papers. After 10 hours with just the first bus, we're arriving only at the second bus. The second bus will still have to go 5, 6, 7 hours. So we're entering the town of PA on the big Ayeyarwady, their biggest river.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for.
Yeah, it's mine. Yes, sorry? Okay.
Bye-bye!
Vă pleca bagajul fără mine, vă pleca bagajul fără mine, uei! Ești nebun! So Google Maps is saying 350 kilometers away more to go. It's midnight. It's a surreal experience. wonder, how much place do they have?
I don't know.
The music is loud. We can't sleep, but it's
Good morning.
It's almost 4 a.m.
Yeah, I'm so happy we arrived.
The taxi was waiting for us. Yeah, it was really good. So I'm impressed about the organization. I'm impressed.
And also the second bus has waited for us.
Yeah, they took us from the hotel and brought us all the way to the next hotel, 600 kilometers away. $2,200 temples. That's all from the once almost 13,000 that still survive to the present day. Bagan was between the 9th and the 13th centuries the capital city of the First Kingdom of Myanmar. The famous explorer Marco Polo found here in the 13th century a gilded city alive with tinkling bells and the swishing sounds of monks' robes.
I don't know who put the sunrise at 6 a.m, but it is too early. We haven't got the chance to sleep a single minute, but it was worth it. By the way, you can fly a hot air balloon for 300 euros per person, but we flew our drone for free.
She's blonde and I'm a fool, but I'm not going to school. Does it rhyme? Doesn't rhyme. So,
rhymes,
back to the hotel.
It has no sense.
Yeah, back to the hotel. We're eating quicker breakfast. We're hiring 2 scooters and back to the temple.
That's lunch, not breakfast, but it's okay.
Excited?
We're scared.
Excited?
You know that.
Look, you've got a helmet too! Put it on, put it on! So cute.
But you know that it's the first time, right?
It's your first time on a bike?
Yeah.
It's very important, yeah.
I can do it.
The 2,000 temples, old and new, open or closed, restored or not, are stretching over an area of 42 square kilometers. The temple site is too big to be explored on foot, but is well suited to being seen by bicycle or electric scooter. You have also the possibility to choose a horse cart or a private air-conditioned taxi, but those options will really spoil the Indiana Jones feeling. The semi-desert vegetation, the high temperatures and the hidden temples will teleport you to an adventure movie set. Myanmar, former Burma, is a country affected until recently by one of the world's longest-running civil wars, and was therefore for a long time a no-go for tourists. In 2011 the situation changed, and even if today there are still some unsafe regions, the main part of the country is safe for tourists. What Myanmar needs is a serious development of tourism infrastructure. The country is known as an expensive tourist destination because the most visitors are using planes or rented cars with drivers to travel around. Often compared to the famous Angkor Wat in Cambodia, Bagan is bigger, wilder, harder to get to and less crowded.
Even if you're allowed to visit all the temples, you're supposed to leave your shoes on the entrance and your socks too, and to have a decent behavior and a decent clothing. And it's not polite to take pictures with the back to the statues of Buddha, and there are so many of them.
Less tourists mean less locals trying to be your unofficial guide and less scams. But the old money collection trick is present here.
Prietenii noștri au o colecție de bani.
Bine.
Tot felul. Și surpriză.
Wow!
Și nu e de la noi.
E un leu! Ce coamă mare are!
Small. So that's for sun and for sun cover and mosquitoes.
No
mosquito. No mosquito.
No smile.
So you're not allowed to smile the whole day.
Bye makeup. I was pretty until now.
Oh, you're so pretty.
So pretty.
For shoestring backpackers or travel vloggers, Myanmar is a paradise, untouched by mass tourism, where one has to travel with irregular, crowded minibuses or shaky overnight trains. But the reward consists of unique and fantastic experiences.
This particular temple, Ananda temple, is called the Westminster
I want to
Abbey.
take a photo. You can speak, it's okay. But don't talk, just speak.
It's supposed to be the Westminster Abbey of Bagan, because it's so beautiful, you know.
Okay. Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Here you've got the opportunity to taste a lot of exotic and very exotic dishes. Don't expect to find fancy restaurants, and please forgive the insects which might be too curious about the taste of your food.
Very ingenious. Here you can wash your hands. Oh, that's a little bit uncomfortable for you. Does your mother know where I'm taking you?
I don't know, you must have her.
Oh, look, there are so many microbes there.
Yeah.
That thing is the best thing we've discovered in Myanmar. So it's a mixture of soya sauce, a little bit of vinegar, garlic and chili. It's delicious.
Sunrise and sunset are moments when it is good to have your lessons done and know which temples are allowed to be climbed for a magnificent view. It's been a long day. Actually 2 days. Well, like all the days spent here in Myanmar. But more of this marvelous country in our future vlogs.
If you come here, just wear long sleeves and cream with sun protection. We didn't.
Who has a nice color now?
Oh, you have. So until next time, don't forget, we love you guys. Take care.
Subscribe. Bye bye.